So before we start, just want to say a big thanks to our sponsors and to tell you that there are some cool awards waiting for you. You can feel free to tweet your questions and use our tag mobsocial, but in the spirit of the minimalism, let that question be less than 280 characters. Also, we have 2 awards for the best 2 questions and 1 special award for the very end. So, in which kind of world we are living today? So, from my experience, we are living definitely in a consumption world, and we try to buy everything possible. So, how do we dress? Who of you actually spent less than 5 minutes this morning on his wardrobe combination? Say aye. Great. There are the minimalists in here. So, who is familiar with the concept of minimalism? Say aye. Great. Cool. So, no matter how wardrobe big you have, you will eventually end up with a few of combinations, which will result in that you're going to be beautiful today. So everybody want to have selfie on Instagram, selfie on Facebook. It's OOTD, outfit of the day. So you need to consume more, you need to have more, you need to gain more. So we are making the hype about everything. So when the new iPhone is coming out, so when the new Mercedes is coming up, so we're making noise whenever we purchase some of the items. It's actually in our nature. So for me, for my personal experience, the money is not an issue over here. The issue is actually too much information, because we will constantly be bored with too much information. So take a look at this guy over here. Today, he has access to more information than Bill Clinton used to have in 1999 as the strongest man on planet Earth. Actually, that happened before the Monica Lewinsky affair, but afterward, he was more informed. Okay, also, take a look at this GIF right now. And take a look at it for a few times in a row, please. And tell me what you see over here. So, it's supposed to be faster, but... And then, boom. Okay, one more time. So what you see here is Happy New Year. Everybody is celebrating the New Year. So the new Mercedes-Benz is coming up. The new Justin Bieber's album. The fresh screen for the new fresh male faces. News, all about news. And Kim Kardashian, of course, naked on the centerfold of a magazine. Why not? Also, there are a lot of drinks, of course, Coca-Cola, and bang. So, one more time. So, feeling dizzy right now? Okay, cool. So recently we also had a Billboard attack, which I call the Billboard attack, but it was actually an attack on our brains during general elections here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So every possible advertisement space was occupied with those faces. So this guy is no more in, he's out right now, so... and faces, but this one is the greatest. Come on, look at this. Of course, it's a Photoshop, but it was nearly the same. Okay, so it's also what happens in the IT. Customer will order you something crazy. He want to say, okay, when I hover the OK button, let it be like, okay, it's green now, but let it be black. Great, this is what I want. Cool. Also, if I want to shut down something, if I want to close it, please let the button change. The color should be changed from orange to blue. Why not? I mean, it's fancy, come on. So we are exaggerating. Okay, part of my lecture today will be like enterprises and corporations, 10 years versus startups, only 2 months for now. And from my experience, what I learned from corporations is that it's something slow, actually. It's slow machines with slow processes. Communication almost not exists, so very low quality of communication. Complex communication matrix and bunch of levels. And then, of course, long-term plans. When the CEO approaches you and tells, okay, give me a plan for 10 years ahead. I mean, come on, are you kidding me? 10 years? Legacy systems, almost irreplaceable. I have seen systems in production for 10 years, and those systems actually accumulated too much data that almost impossible to replace them. And software updates, they are almost impossible. Actually, this is like the software term, too difficult. Why so? It's because when you have software updates in corporation, you will end up having a new modern UI, which is actually like you change the theme for your smartphone, but it's still old and slow. Totally opposite right now, which I faced with startup, is no long-term plans, and things are happening really, really fast. And there are a bunch of tools at your disposal to be taken into consideration. Most of what I love here is usability testing, something which I love to call minimum lovable product, which is the customer will be delightful. There are a bunch of strategies, of course, like the lean approach and data-driven, but you're already familiar with this. And launch and alert, I don't want to show you twice, is something which we are practicing every day in our company. Therefore, we are able to remove the uncertainty, and we are having a release almost every day, which I'm going to show you at the end. So try a deep breath right now, and try to imagine minimalism. To have something without noise, without distractions. Maybe we can have a term for it. It's like the peacefulness, or if we are into this Zen mode. If you try to visualize it, it will be very simple, like the line, like the circle. I mean, every great design starts from those. Actually, for me, it's a lifestyle, and there are different types of it, like the essential, sustainable, thrifty. But we in software development wants to focus ourselves on thrifty, because there are all the bullshit terms like on time, on budget, faster time to market, which none of this is true, but anyway. Okay. Minimalism is all about avoiding distractions. So if you avoid distractions, therefore you will be able to focus yourself. Today, a lot of lectures were about focusing. Simplifying things. So simplifying things, simple is really harder to achieve, because simple is harder than complex. Why so? Because you need to figure out how to achieve more with less. And focusing is definitely the pure minimalism, which is focus on crucial things which you need to deliver, because developers, please, there is no such thing as a feature complete. Yeah. Okay. As said earlier, a bunch of tools at your disposal. So look at this website. Early 2000. It's supposed to be a search page. But look at this visual distraction. I mean, for me, it's like a garbage page, disorganization. Okay, a lot of attention shouting out to you. So actually, where do you search? I mean, same year, Google, like their competitors at that time, designed a page. This page actually served its purpose. You're able to search, and you can find the search space and click on search. Today, Google has the same thing. Yahoo search is nowhere. Okay. You can get used to the page, like the guys used to on a Craigslist or on Reddit example. If you take a look at the Reddit old design over here, guys used to use it. And what Reddit decide? They want to have like something new. Facebook lookalike thing, just like this, which is, I mean, great. Page is great for me, and they also launch it and learn it. So they actually did a good thing. But they made one mistake over here. They didn't evolve their key users. And right now they have a beta page where the users can put their hate over there. They're hating this page right now. So involve your key users. This is a crucial thing while you're developing things. So usually in enterprises, IT department will develop everything for the finance department. And when the girls from the finance department start to use this tool, they will be, what is this? I mean, so involve your key users at the first place, because this guy over here is not happy why the Twitter does not support edit tweets. So what he did over here, he tagged Kim Kardashian and he says, "Hi there, any update on this feature?" So a lot of Kim Kardashian today. Also other tools, cut religious debates. Everybody has very strong opinions about how any web page or form which you're developing should look like. And if you add on top of it professional passion like the designers or developers, you will get mess over there. Designers became designers because they enjoy pleasant or visual experience, And developers become developers because they love complexity. They love reverse engineering things in their head. And because reactions are happening on a brain chemical level, it's almost impossible that designers or developers imagine that somebody is thinking different except from them. So if you add professional passion over there, you will end up in a really religious debate. So how to stop it? Well, there is another tool which I like. It's usability testing, which actually by its purpose doesn't approve anything. And actually, it only let customer, doesn't approve, sorry, if you let the customer to see what you will actually build without your interference, you will get your real knowledge about what your customer will eventually use. And you will end up designers and developers will say, they're stupid, but actually they're not. Try to handle yourself and just see what the customer will try to use, from which point they're gonna start use your thing, what you build. Because if it's not too intuitive, you need to think again. And you need to go back into UX process. So really great tool which I want. Launch and learn. So build every day. This is what we are having on our system. So I just caught a few slides over here from 8, 9, 10, and 12, 11, of the October. Actually, we are doing the build every day. This is something which is automated. And of course, it doesn't make sense if you do not have automated testing as well. But of course, if there is a feature which can be tested manually, why not? I mean, this is the only case which you can actually learn. If Agile has a manifesto, why Minimalism can have a manifesto? So I just put over here a few of the things. Now it will be glad if you can make a effort over here and discuss about it with me. So the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. Okay, the second one, focus is essential. So everybody needs to focus. If you're distracted, you will end up like the Who search. Adding features makes it harder to keep that focus. So if you try to develop something, do not add it. You finish what you start and that's it practically. So not a return. This one is also great. I want every line of code to be able to justify its existence and work multiple jobs too. I mean, it's really hard to achieve, but why not? Minimalism is intentional. As I said earlier, it should be a lifestyle. And we need to remove everything that distracts us. So if anybody over here has something to add or another thing which we could add to Minimalism Manifesto, he's rather than welcome. Okay, so before Q&A, I just want to tell you that probably you were going to say that, yeah, we're using this for decades, we all know it, but this talk should be like inspirational one and should be useful only in your context. So Q&A, I have a task for you guys. If you didn't put anything on Twitter, I want you that you count how many things do you have with you right now. So do not count this Agile gift which you received, just count how many things do you have right now in your bag with you, like the mobile phone, like, I don't know, like the wallet. Come on, count it. And tell me who has the smallest number. I'm expecting 2 or 3. How much? 1? Fidget spinner? Can't believe it. Cool stuff. Okay. I mean, this is a really serious thing because if nobody has things more than 5, he will get a gift over here. How much? 2? Yeah, no, in the wallet. Just wallet and phone. Janita, I don't care. Okay, I think we have a winner over here. Come on, sir, over here. Pick up your present. No. Here is for you. Thank you. You're welcome. And guys, thank you. just have this quote also in mind. I would like to finish with Da Vinci's quote: "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." And thank you for your attention.